Hi, today I'm going to show you how to access the library database from your Canvas. So I have a Canvas fit page up here, and on the side, on the left-hand side, you have a bunch of choices here. And I'm going to click on Library Tutoring. So if you go to the Library Tutoring, you get a page like this. You click on Open in New Tab, and it will take you to the Shepford Library or your library website. What you do is you click on the library and then you click on databases. So where it says databases, you click on databases. So I'd like to go over some of the databases that you'll be using this semester for your class. So the first one is Art Store, where you get pictures. The second one is CQ Researcher, and CQ Researcher has a lot of articles, really in-depth, controversial articles. The next one is called EBSCO Host Combined, and that has really current articles in newspapers or periodicals. Films on Demand has videos that you can use. And if you scroll down a little further down here, what you will have is Opposing Viewpoints, and the next one is called SIRS Knowledge, which is down over here. So I'm going to actually go over EBSCO in this video, and the way I'm going over EBSCO Host Combined is very similar to the other websites, databases too. So if you click on EBSCO Host, so it's going to ask you for your password if you're not logging on from campus, and it'll take you okay. So I'm in EBSCO Host right now. So let's say I want to look for gender roles, articles on gender roles. Oops, I spelled it wrong. In American Society. Here we go. It spelled it right for me right here. So I click on search, and it might take a few minutes to take you to the article. And here I have a database of a whole bunch of articles. Actually, if I want to know exactly how many, it's 39 articles. So here, if you notice, there's my database of articles that I can use. Okay, some articles come in both HTML full text and PDF full text, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But you can just scroll down through the articles and see which one you would like to take a look at to see if possibly you want to use it for your research paper. So I actually like this first one, so I will click on that. Now, if I click on PDF full text like this, what I will see is the actual copy from the magazine that looks just like this. And if you scroll down the page, you can read the article. There's also pictures that you can use in your papers and graphs and charts. See, I'm scrolling down the PDF file. Now, what you can do with this is you can print it, you can email it to yourself, you could put it in some sort of research folder, and you can also cite from this. So if you click on cite, what you will get is MLA, and then you can copy and paste this to your actual works cited page on your paper. So if you wanted to look at the HTML full text, oops, I just lost that. Let's go back in. Okay, so if you wanted to look at the HTML full text, so the HTML full text looks just like this. And it's just the wording like this, and you can use this too. And it has the your search words throughout in bold. So you can use this too, and that's fine. And if you wanted to cite this, you can cite it, you can save this, you can email it to yourself. And the Shotford Library, everything that's on our library website, you can cite. There's a cite feature anywhere in the tools sections. So you could take a look at that, and you could cite these right away on your works cited page. But I suggest that you save these articles so that you're able to access them whenever you need them, and that you create some sort of folder for yourself so that you are having an ongoing research folder, and you can start researching articles now, and then you can curate them throughout your education. So you can have a combination of topics such as gender roles or the economy, and then you can just continue and use these throughout your whole college education. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in another recording.